What's going on, you guys? We finally made it down here today and the river is looking awesome. We got our fly pole today. I think that's what we're gonna go and head and fish with. We're after some of these trout and hopefully we'll hook up with one of these early summer steelhead that run up. But we're down here and it looks awesome, you guys. It looks wonderful. I mean, look how clear that water is. It looks awesome. Let's hopefully finally get out there and hook us up with one of these trout. But the plan is, you guys, we're gonna go down here. I got my fly rod and I got this nice bright streamer on. There's some flashes down here at the bottom. I don't know if you could see them. Nice flashes to them. And yeah, the plan is we're just gonna go out here and hit like these rapids and just swing it across there, and hopefully we can get one that bites. And we're just gonna keep walking down and hopefully we can get one. So let's get after it. What's going on, you guys? We're making our way to the river right now. I got my fly pole in hand and we're gonna get down here and hopefully we can catch us a nice trout or steelhead or something. But we finally got down here after our little trek through the brush, and that's the river. But we're gonna get down into this current right here and let it ride. All right, we made it to this hole. This is a nice one. We already have just let it fish, you guys. That thing just going back and forth in the water just like this. And when you get a bite, you don't want to yank it, you just want to slowly lift the pole. We might end up changing our fly here, but I don't want to get too antsy and this be the killer fly. Put it back over there, let it ride. Right down that big old rock. All right, this is gonna be the one, you guys, right here. All right, let's take a few steps down, you guys. Bring this thing on back up here. Gonna take a few steps down here into this little deeper part. I don't know if you guys can see this on camera, but there's like a big drop off rock right there. I want to fish the inside of that. So we're gonna wade our way out here and fish it. Get all the line out that we need and don't fall down. Perfect. And then let it ride. We're gonna let all types of line out, get that fly back there where the water's broiling up. It's where the fish like to sit and feed because they don't gotta do much for the food to come to them. Nothing really to it at all. Just to have patience. Send some line out, take some. I think I had a bite while I was doing that. Oh, well, I guess we'll send it out again. All right, you guys, we're gonna march down to this next hole since we're gonna hook up with this one. And it's real shallow right here. I mean, you can probably see one if there's one sitting in there. Let's get through all this brush. Get down to the next hole. All right, you guys, we finally made it down here to our next hole. We got that same streamer on. So we're gonna get out there. There's a nice deep current right there. We're gonna wade out there and send this to the bottom of that current, and hopefully we can hook up with another one. So let's get on out here, start wading out here through this water. It's about knee deep, all the way about to the middle. And that's a sweet spot. We're gonna get out there, wade through all this, and get it done. Just like that, guys, just let it float in that big C shape. And take a step or two and go right down. Boom. That's the one, you guys. Now we're just gonna let it ride and let it do the big C shape. And bring it on back up, I guess. This leaf blower guy, oh my God. It would be dead silent right here, but got Mr. Leaf Blower back there. Hope you guys can even hear me. Got one on the, got one, you guys. On the streamer, got one on the streamer. Oh yeah. Sorry I didn't record. I just was going through these holes as quick as I could, and I didn't even expect this bad boy to bite. Nice one, you guys. Fight them out. It's a nice rainbow. Nice fighter too. I'll loosen the drag for this guy just a tad. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. God dang it. Got back in that current. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Check that one out, you guys. Yeah, that's a nice one. Beautiful. Come. Oh, that was it, you guys. On the good old trusty. Heck yeah. Let's get this back out there. I wasn't doing much at all. Don't really got to. Just gotta have patience. Swinging it out there. Swinging it back. Just like that. And letting it ride. Just right in a big SC pattern, actually. That flies, it's just whipping back there in the current. I don't know if you guys can see that bright orange thing, but doing its job. Oh, messed up. Had a bush behind me. Let's try that again. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And let it ride. It's just gonna go in a big C right across that current. And when you guys get a bite, don't yank it. That's the hardest part about this kind of fishing. You always want to yank your line or yank the pole, try to set the hook. But the way the fish is going to come up and grab it and pull away, that's just enough to set the hook. Hope you guys can hear me too. I'm going to have to go through this footage and see if you can actually even hear me. Ooh, that's the one. That's the one. Come on, baby. Fight that, baby. Take a couple steps with it now. Thank you for watching another episode, you guys. If you liked it, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you like this style of fishing, go ahead and leave a comment. And man, I'll do more of this kind of fishing all the time. Just leave a comment, let me know. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.